Let's chat about Eco Basics. Tell me a little bit, Craig.
Eco Basics is a brand that we established about 7 years ago with a real eco ethos, again with its material.
Yeah.
So we try and source the most eco material possible to make everyday use items that are practical, that stand the test of time. Behind us is our bathroom range, which is very, very popular. It's made out of 100% recycled plastic, FSC certified bamboo, and with some great colour palettes to help you zhuzh up the bathroom.
Yes.
A toilet brush, bins, toilet roll holders, soap dispensers, soap risers. But that's the Eco Basics story that I really love.
And what I love about the Eco Basics, especially the 3-in-1 bathroom set, is that it's very compact and it looks really good. So if you do have a small bathroom, it sits in there nice and snugly, and it's so discreet. So you've got your toilet paper there, you've got a little bin there, and you've got the toilet brush all around where it needs to be.
In 4 colours. You can get it in charcoal, black, white, and stainless. So depending on the decor of the tiles, the shower, the vanity, you can customise it. And the heads are rechangeable. So when the head gets a bit, gunky, take off the head and change the head and reuse the brush over and over again.
And what I love is that every single one of these products have a little bamboo touch to it. So it really feels quite environmentally friendly, and it is. And that's kind of the look and the feel that we want to give in someone's home.